This video explains the complete setup flow, starting with the basic Azure settings through running the sample project. First, go to the Microsoft Azure page and sign into your Azure account. If you do not have an Azure account, please create one. You can create a new Azure account by clicking Free Account. After signing in, go to the portal. Click Create a Resource to create the IoT Hub. Set each item according to your environment. The IoT Hub name must be unique across the Azure cloud, so enter the name and check the displayed message. After creating your IoT Hub, make a note of your host name in a text editor because it will be used later. Register the device ID. After registering the device ID, make a note of the device ID and primary key in your text editor. The Azure settings are now complete. Next, download the sample program. Visit the Azure Real-Time OS sample page on GitHub and download the program for the RX65N Cloud Kit and GCC compiler combination. In this video, the function to change the LED state from Azure has been added to the sample program. You can find the RX65N Cloud Kit sample program with LED control function in the Plug and Play branch of the Azure Real-Time OS sample page on GitHub. Please use it as needed. When you unzip the downloaded program, you will find the projects for eSquare Studio. Launch eSquare Studio and import the project into your workspace. Set the information required to connect to Azure IoT Hub in the program. Open the main.c file of sample PMP temperature controller from the imported project and enter the Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password of the access point to connect. Next, open the sample config.h file and enter the hostname you noted earlier in hostname. The device ID in device ID, and the primary key in device symmetric key. Save your changes and build the sample PMP temperature controller project. Prepare the hardware to run the program. Remove the jumper pin of EJ2 on the target board of the RX65N Cloud Kit. Then connect the Silex Wi-Fi module to the cloud option board. Connect the board to a PC with a USB cable. Open Tera Term. Configure the serial connection settings to 115 kbps, 8-bit data, no parity. Write the sample program to the RX65N Cloud Kit. Select Sample PMP Temperature Controller Hardware Debug from the drop-down list in the upper left. Click the green bug icon to write the program. Make sure that the program stops at Power On Reset PC and click the Restart button. When the program stops at the main function, click Resume to run the program. Confirm the message is displayed in Tera Term. If the message Time Sync Failed appears, click Stop to stop execution and write the program again. This completes the execution of the sample project.